Our current business strategy consists of customers coming to Huff's Taproom and Brew Pub to enjoy our food and drink in a cheers-like atmosphere. With 61 taps of craft beer, we allow our customers to purchase 4-ounce sample glasses of any beer we have on tap. This gives our clientele the chance to sample a plethora of craft beer while learning about them in the process. With the addition of the Copper Kettle Brewing Company, Huff's Taproom and Brew Pub has become the ultimate destination for beer lovers. It is the only place in Pittsburgh where you can brew your own beer on professional equipment in 2 hours, drink beer from our beer menu while brewing, dine, and then take your beer you brewed home to enjoy. Plus, the Copper Kettle is brewing craft beer for Huff's Taproom to make it stand out as a brew pub. Our current business model has had an average growth rate of 56% per year. By adding the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, we are estimating our growth rate would be 61% at Huff's Taproom and Brew Pub and 110% at the Copper Kettle Brewing Company. Our business model has outpaced the average 15% growth rate of the craft beer industry nationally and the 18% growth rate of the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania region. We have done this by sticking to our goals and listening to our customers. Our new business strategy, with the addition of a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, will allow us to take the ultimate craft beer experience to the customer. Not only will Huff's be able to fully cater events at the customer's destination of choice, but they will also be able to provide the beer that customers brew at the Copper Kettle on tap or in the bottle as well. The Copper Kettle, on the other hand, will be able to deliver the customer's beer, attend beer festivals, fundraisers, community events, and even start to contract brew. We appreciate your time and look forward to driving a Sprinter. Cheers.